Ngayon pa lang ay abangers na ang mga fans sa launching movie ng phenomenal love team ni na Andres Mulak at Ashtin Olvega. Dahil sa success ng kanilang tandem sa Viva One series na ang mutya ng Section E, ay binigyan na sila agad ng mga bossing ng Viva Entertainment ng bonggang pelikula. Sila ang bibida sa upcoming movie na Minamahal, 100 Bulaklak para kay Luna, written and directed by Jason Paul Laksamana. Sa naganap na presko ng pelikula kamakailan ay natanong sina Andres at Ashtin kung paano nga ba nila i-describe ang salitang love at kung naniniwala sila sa iba't ibang konsepto nito. Because when you share love, you always give out positive energy. Everything is beautiful, including how you deal with other people, say ni Ashtin. Para naman kay Andres, I think love is one of the most powerful things in the world because every day we want to love and we want to feel loved. And in everything that we do, we want to achieve in life, we need love in order to achieve those things. I think love is very important for all of us. Anya pa. Ano naman ang mga kaya nilang i-give up para sa love? Sagot ng kakambal ni Atasha Mulak, everything. For me in life, you need love to achieve your passions. If you are really passionate about something, that means you truly love it. Anything that was ever invented in life, talagang it came from out of loving it. Loving whatever material that was or kung ano yung idea nun. So I think love is super important, paliwanag ng aktor. Say naman ni Ashtin, when you know you gave everything, you won't have regrets in the end. Tungkol naman sa kanilang love language, mas feel ni Ashtin na makatanggap ng word of affirmation, quality time, mga regalo at physical touch. Feeling ko lahat. For example, parang kasi hinahanap mo kung ano yung hindi mo natatanggap. So, feeling ko lahat tayo parang yung love language, parang kailangan natin yung lahat. Parang kailangan nating ibigay and received, say ni Ashtin. Para kay Andres, mas na-appreciate niya yung taong nagbibigay o may ginagawa para sa kanya kahit hindi niya sabihin o hilingin. Parang mas natutuwa talaga ako because I don't have to remind her or anything. Or kahit ako, I love to do things for people and make other people happy. So acts of service for me, sabi ng binata. Ano naman ang mga qualities ni Andres na gustong-gusto ni Ashtin? I think of him being thoughtful to everyone. Hindi siya namimili kung sino yung tatartuhin niya ng maayos or hindi, basta sa lahat talaga. Sabi naman ni Andres, siguro yung trait na parang wala siyang kaarte-arte kahit saan man. Super humble, down to earth, and someone who always goes with the flow. She doesn't ever show attitude and she's always nice to everyone. Pahabol pa ni Andres.